In this video, we'll demonstrate online store project, so which is written in ASP.NET with the C# language. So it's a short duration video. I'll show you like how we can make online store and what are the things we can add up in this. So basically it will have two modules, admin module and the user module. I'll demonstrate and I'll show you like how we can make this particular project. So here the project is already opened in Visual Studio 2019 and here is a SQL Server. So let me run this project. So we'll just go to run and you need to take a base address. This is the base address, right? So here there are two options, admin and the user. So first we'll go to admin. So in order to get into admin, you have to type user ID and password, logs in, right? So here these are the options. So category, item. So item is important. Let's look at the list. So these are the one which already entered here. So if I want to enter one more item, so I just go to category. First let me check it out whether you have a computers or laptop here. So we have mobile phones. Okay, let us enter one more product, mobile phone. So this is MI20, right? So description, this is MI20 mobile. So what category it is? It's under mobile phones. So what is the price? So it's on 29,000 rupees, right? So save this. The product is saved, right? So now we can see that a new product is added here. So there is a customer here, but customer can sign up and we can able to view it here. So we'll go to customer side now. Right. So here you can log in. So already signed up. So therefore I just go to A1 and then A1. Fine. So here it is. So here we can select the category, mobile phone category. So there are three products are there here. So let me select MI. So you can enter one quantity. So then we can go to view cart. You can see the product here. We can confirm the order. Okay, so there is a message here. Okay, so it's now transaction ID is 3244 and the bill amount is 29,000 rupees. That is done. Fine. So on the admin side, if you go there and if you see the sales report, so you can see that MI10 is purchased by the A1. If you go to main menu again, so if you go to customer list, so display list, we can see that okay, all the customer list we can see it here. Like, so then there is a purchase report. What are the purchases we done that we can do? But for online, okay, let me concentrate only on the selling part. Therefore, here category, items, customer, and the sales report are important. On the customer side, you can so buy the product. So that is what important in this video. Sorry, in this project. Fine. So therefore, you can have a two part. One is admin part. One is a customer part, and both should be able to communicate. That is what very important. So I'll just show you some code here, like how do you enter the product. So product main. So here is a design page. So you can design using the controls here. In the toolbox you have controls. You need to drag and drag. And then if you go to the code, you can see here by default all this will be imported, but we need to import these two. That is the SQL client and the forms. And here is a connection string. So this is to connect to the backend. And then so here to select the category name from the category table and you transfer into drop down list one. And then when you click the button, so when you click the save button, we'll check whether this record is already present or not. If not present, we'll go to save the record. So we have separate videos for like how to insert the data, how to delete the data, how to list the data. So please watch that videos. So to watch that, please go to our YouTube channel. Just search for Highblix tutorials and click on videos. So here you can see that a lot of videos are available. So please browse them and check out which are the one you are interested and which are the project you want to do. So in future to get the job, you should know like coding very well. Therefore, our videos definitely help you to build the applications or application projects. Please watch them. And if you have any doubts, so please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Okay, thank you.